Appam Sivoma.
Before you get into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified.
Appam recipe from Manu Samayo. First, ora bowl la rice and dal 6 hours kusok panikalam. Then wash and rinse it thoroughly. Transfer it to a blender and nice grind it.
Cover and rest it overnight to get fermented. Make sure you get like this.
Nala mava beet panikalam.
To this, add 1 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon baking soda. Mix it gently.
Pour the appam batter to the appam kadai and do like shown. Add oil in the edges and close the lid. At low flame for few seconds. Full recipe in description box below. Meanwhile, just hit the like button. Remove and serve with hot coconut milk. If you want this coconut milk recipe, comment below.